Hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make sketchbook for Amazon KDP. Listing a sketchbook on Amazon KDP can definitely be a good way to make some passive income online, and I will be showing you how to do this step by step as a complete beginner. A sketchbook is basically a paperback book with just some blank pages. As you can see from this example, this person is selling over 6,000 copies per month. And there are also numerous other listings that are getting 10,000, 5,000, or even more purchases per month. And I'll be showing you how to do this step by step. The first thing I want you to do is go onto canva.com. And canva.com is a platform on which you can sign up for completely free using your email address. So you're going to create an account on Canva. Once you have created your account on Canva, I want you to open a new tab. And in this new tab, you're going to go onto bookho.com. So I want you to go onto bookho.com, as this is going to be the platform that we'll be using to generate our KDP book cover template. And you need this platform to generate your book cover template, as while Canva will provide you with majority of the tools to get the perfect dimension so you'll be able to list your sketchbook and it looks professional on Amazon, you need to use a template. And the template, you can simply tap right here, KDP cover template generator. After you have done that, you can scroll down, you can select paperback, then you can enter the size sketchbook that you would like to create. So for example, I will be creating an 8.5 by 11 sketchbook. But if we were to go back into Amazon, you can see that you can also create a 7.5 inch by 5. So it all depends what size sketchbook you would like to create and list. After doing that, you can enter the page count. So let's say, for example, my sketchbook will have 25 pages. Then you can also select the page type. After doing that, you'll scroll down, enter your email address, then tap on email cover template. And it is going to automatically email you your cover template, and you don't have to pay anything at all. You can select a next time when it goes on to the paid option. After you're finished, you're going to go back into Canva and you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, and I want you to tap on upload. After selecting upload, you're going to tap on choose files. Then you're going to select the cover template and you're going to tap on open. After selecting open, you're going to tap on use in new design. Then you're going to tap on custom size. And from here, you're simply going to enter this size that you see right here. You're going to enter it right here and you're going to tap on create new design. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page. And on this page now, you will now be able to create your book cover. To create your book cover, we could go over to the left-hand menu option and we're going to tap on design. After tapping on design, from here you could type in sketchbook for example sake. So let us do that real quick. So we could type in sketchbooks right here. Or what I would normally recommend you do is you will go back to the home page. Then you're going to type in sketchbook right here. After typing in sketchbook, you can see there are numerous sketchbook cover templates that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, we're creating a sketchbook for women and we'll select this one. Then we're going to tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you could make any changes you want. You could change the background cover, color, and so on. But for the sake of saving time, I won't make any changes. I'll just tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then from there, I'm going to select PNG, then tap on download. Once it has been downloaded, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go back into the first page, tap on uploads from the left hand menu option, then tap on upload file, and we're going to be uploading the file so you can see it right there. After doing that, all you'll need to do now, you can simply tap on this page, and from here you're going to tap on the option that says transparency, and you're going to pull back the transparency a bit so that it is a bit blurred, as you can see right here. Once you have cut down on the transparency, you'll simply select the book cover, so we'll tap on it right there, and you're going to pull it into position. So let's do that real quick so we can adjust the size right here. So you'll simply adjust the size. So this is the front part of the book, so you'll pull it to cover all of the white space right here. So let's do that real quick. So we'll do that so you can see right here how it looks. After doing that, you could add something to the back of the book right here, or you could simply tap on it, then select transparency, and you can pull it down even further so you can see right there. So if you would like it to be completely white, you can do that. If you would like to change the color, you can do that by simply selecting it. Then you could tap on edit photo, and from there you will see different options that you can choose from. So you could do that right there. You could change the color. You can also add something else, but this is the back of the book. After you're finished, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on share. After tapping on share, from here you're going to tap on download. Then you're going to change the format from PNG. You're going to change it to PDF. After doing that, you're going to tap on download. Now, once it has been downloaded, as you can see right there, all you'll need to do now, you're going to simply go back into another tab. So you can open another tab, or you could go back into the tab that you had used to create the book cover. And from here, all you'll need to do is tap on add page. So you can tap on add page, and it depends on the amount of pages that you would like to add. So for example, for this example, I'll be using 25 pages, so I'll just tap on add page 25 times. So let's do that real quick. So you'll duplicate the pages. After doing that, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download, and you're going to change the format again to PDF. Then from there, we're going to unselect the first page, and we're going to download the rest of pages. Once the other pages have been downloaded, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go onto kdp.amazon.com. And from here, you can sign up using your Amazon sign-in, and you're going to tap on create. After tapping on create, you're going to tap on create paperback. Then from here, you can type in your book title. So for example, Sketchbook for Women. And you want to ensure that your book title is search related, as remember that Amazon is also a search engine. So typically persons will come onto Amazon and, for example, type in Sketchbook for, and then you can see the different listing right there: Sketchbook for kids, Sketchbook for girls, Sketchbook for women. So you want your title to be search related. For example, Sketchbook for women. If I were to tap on that, you can see the different options right there. Now, all you'll need to do is go back to our listing. Then we're going to scroll down, and from here you can enter the author's name. So I could tap right there, and I could enter my name real quick. After doing that, you can add a quick description right here. So for example, this is a sketchbook for women. And you could make your description more detailed, but for the sake of time, that's just a quick example. Then you'll tap on I own the copyright. Then from there, you can select whether you have in sexual explicit content. More than likely you won't, so you'll simply tap on no. After doing that, you're going to scroll down, and you can select the primary marketplace. And this is basically which one of the Amazon marketplace you would like it to be listed on. I would normally recommend that you leave it on Amazon.com. Then from there, you're going to choose a category. So you can tap right there. Then from here, you can select a category real quick. So you can select any one of these categories right here that you would like to choose from. So for example, for this example, I'll just tap on right here. And I'm just going to tap on save category. After doing that, you can scroll down. Let me select the category again real quick. So I'll select any one of these categories, just select this one, and then from there I'll select study and teaching, and I can select that also, then tap on save category. Once you're finished, you can scroll down and you can enter the keywords. If you would like to enter keywords, I will definitely recommend that you do that, as you want your book to be easily searchable, as this will increase your chances of getting sales. Then you're going to tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on save and continue, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can select the page type that you would want. Keep in mind that the page type that you select will also affect the price that you will be able to offer. As if you were to select, for example, standard color interior, it would be more expensive than the black and white interior. And if you were to select a premium color interior, it will be more expensive, while it will look better. Then you are going to tap on trim size, and we're going to tap on select size. And remember that I had created an 8.5 by 11, so I'm going to select that. And then also it has a bleed, so I'll select bleed right there, and the bleed is simply the middle section. After doing that, you're going to tap on upload a cover you already have, then tap on upload your cover, and from here you can select your cover real quick. So let me select the cover, which is this. Tap on open, and you can see the cover is being added. Once the cover has been uploaded, you're going to tap on upload manuscript, and this is basically the interior section of your book. So that is this section right here. So we'll tap on that, and we're going to tap on open. After both have been entered, you'll simply scroll down to continue with the uploading process. So you can see right there, you're going to scroll down. Has this been generated by AI? You're going to tap on no. After tapping on no, you're going to tap on launch previewer once it loads up. So we're going to tap on save and continue. After tapping on save and continue, you can see please launch previewer and approve your book. So you're going to tap on launch previewer once it loads up. After tapping on launch previewer, you will see how your book looks. Then from there, you can tap on save and continue, and you will be able to set your price.